started with cards and we also cut the cake, and then we opened the gifts. So we were surprised because they were really big, like boxes. And here's Pihu unboxing her gift. And yes, as you can tell from the logo, we are up for something really new. So here's Pihu's reaction on receiving her first laptop, and she's totally happy. Here's me opening mine. So I'm excited before opening the gift itself, and now I'm barbarically opening the gift up. So I got super excited, and then now I'm just opening, tearing apart everything and taking out the laptop. So I'm really happy, as you can see from my expression. We were like truly happy and surprised at this gift. So during the pandemic, since all the classes are going on online, this is really helpful as a tool itself, and a good future investment. We also had garlic bread and pizza for lunch. Game time. So we were given 15 seconds to burst these balloons without using our hands, and we clearly had a lot of fun playing this game, as you can see from my expressions. This was probably one of the games that I enjoyed the most. But wait until you see the games that are going to come up in the video, so stay tuned till the end and comment down your favorite game. In this next game, we were given about 15 seconds to make a stable environment such that we drop our eggs from a height and our egg should not break. So we were given pillows and newspapers. So there were two rules. Our egg should not break was the first one, and the higher we drop the egg from, the more we get the point. So I decided to drop it from here, this height, and Pihu went a little higher, and yes, drop, and Pihu's egg broke while mine was safe and sound. Here you can see it. Pihu's egg is broken. The next game is who can eat the most number of lemons. These are cut in quarter pieces, and we are having a competition who can eat the most. So let's see then who wins this game. So we both began at the same time, and we were given 15 seconds to see who finishes the most amount of lemons. Pihu's reaction is epic in this case. You can see she's not used to having sour or spicy food. However, me, I'm totally calm since I eat a lot of spicy and sour food. And as the game progresses, we both were almost at a tie. This was totally an interesting game, as we had never played it before, and also a bit difficult because at times the lemon was a bit too sour for our likings. And I finished 10 of these lemons and Pihu finished 9. Next was the try not to laugh challenge. Here we filled our mouths with water, and whoever spits out the water first while laughing loses. Clearly you can see I've started laughing. And now our parents were trying to make us laugh by showing us funny videos, and they were trying to dance and make us laugh. And yes, I lost pretty badly in the first 5 seconds. Next is the blindfold drawing game. We were given a board, a chalk, and our eyes were tied up. So here you can see Pihu is going to tie up my eyes and blindfold me. And I'm going to draw an elephant in 15 seconds. So she's checking if my eyes are really closed or not. I begin by doing something, experimenting on the board, and now yes, I begin to draw. What do you think? Do you like this elephant? If you do, comment and let me know. If it's horrible, still let me know. Clearly not a very good artist here. That's a grass if you didn't know that. Now it's Pihu's turn, and I'm blindfolding her. She also has to draw an elephant. She's lost. Finally she found the board, and now she's going to start drawing. She also started with the trunk, and oh, alright. Nice elephant. So as you can see, we are clearly enjoying the process of these games, and they were actually quite fun, There are more to come ahead, so stay tuned. Do you like her elephant more or mine? I don't know. Let's see who wins. She doesn't even know where the camera is, so I won. And then next we're playing the what's in the box challenge. So in this game we're going to close our eyes, pick an item and we have to guess what it is. Ew. When your eyes are closed, your brain doesn't really receive what you're touching very well. So here's something. Can she guess? Yes, she did. She scores a point. I'm pretty bad at this game. Oh, shoot, I didn't even know what that is. So let's see who wins in this game. You can see it from the starting. I've scored a total 0 because I'm guessing random stuff for a brinjal. And I realized what it is right now. I didn't even know what it was. Moving on to the second round. I think she's gonna guess it right. Yup, she guessed it right. She scored 2 points now. And me, well, I got it wrong again. Pihu's turn. And yes, she got it right again. I'm totally devastated. Let's see if I can get it right this time. Yeah, I got it right. 1 point for me. Now Pihu. She's not able to guess it. Wow, clueless. Totally clueless. Moving ahead, I'm happy that she lost. Oh shoot, what was that? I don't know. This is a reaction that I gave. It was a carrot, but I didn't know back then since my eyes were closed. And I got 2 points now. And now Pihu's turn. And can she guess what she got? Yes, she did. She scores another point. Me, on the other hand, I can't really seem to guess what it is. Like as I said, I am not really able to guess it. Lost again. So Pihu won in this one. She scored 4 points and I scored 2. Next is related to coronavirus. So basically during this pandemic, we were forced to drink kada. Here's a kada drinking challenge to see who can drink this glass full of kada first. This is really healthy for your immunity and overall health, and it may even save you from the virus and overall build your immunity. However, here you can see I gave up in first 5 seconds, whereas Pihu is not giving up. But the thing has a lot of spicy ingredients, so it was obviously a bit too spicy and warm. So yes, that was Pihu's reaction, and she still finished more than me, so we'll give her the point. Next is the dart challenge, so we're gonna aim it. Oh, hey. I'm pretty bad at aiming and I always lose in this game, so yes, I'm gonna lose. However, this was pretty fun to play again. Pihu's turn. Oh yeah. Okay, now she's aiming. She's pretty good at this, as you can clearly see. And we were having a lot of fun since it was really fun to play. And coming down the scores, then we had another cake cutting. And then we also danced a little. And yeah, a little more. And we danced a little more. And finally we ended the day with a smile. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed.